Hi guys, it's your girl Sin. Welcome back to my channel. And so today is going to be another nail vlog. I broke a couple of my nails. They're super long, I know guys, but I'm gonna go get them done. I'm extremely tired. I've been packing orders all night, and today is November 3rd and it's about 1:30 in the afternoon, and I am about to go get my nails done. I do need to go get coffee before I actually go there because I'm extremely tired. Being an entrepreneur is so hard, and you guys love my day in the life of an entrepreneur. I am going to continue to do that series for you guys, and I actually like showing you guys the day in my life of being an entrepreneur, like how every day goes about for me. And I really like showing you guys or giving you guys a glimpse of what actually goes into actually being an entrepreneur. And I don't like to say a small business because I don't like to think small. I am a big business in my mind. So I just a day in the life of being a big business, speaking into existence. Okay, so I'm actually gonna go get coffee, and then we're gonna go get these nails done because these nails look atrocious. So let's go get coffee. Thank you. Finally got my coffee. So I finally got some coffee. Oh my god, I really needed coffee. It's either coffee or always tea with me, or water. I don't really like to drink juice, or I really like to drink, oh, I drink lemonade, but yeah. So I finally got my coffee with almond milk, of course. I'm trying to cut out dairy. I'm trying to cut out cheese, which is really hard. I love cheese, but I'm really trying to cut it out because it really affects my body in a negative way. Did the lighting change? The lighting changed, and that's because it's really gloomy out in Miami right now. I had the top down yesterday, well, the top off yesterday, and it started raining. So I was literally driving home in the rain. Sucks. Vlog today.
Yeah, I'm looking vlog.
You don't want to be in the vlog though?
Not looking like who did it and ran away with it.
Oh my god.
We'll do another vlog. As many times as we go out. Park here. Let's park here.
I'm gonna park on the side because you think there's parking on the side or no? No? So rain is a buzzkill. My friend Brittany doesn't want to be in my vlog.
No, not this time.
Wow, why not? Okay, well.
Here, let me vlog you.
Wow.
Good at this camera stuff. What button? The red button. Show me. That red button. You want to have 17 here for you? Yeah. This the Louis Vuitton bag I want for Christmas.
That's not Louis Vuitton.
Now we need some little chicletas.
Hello.
Hi, do you guys sell sandals?
Yeah, do you guys have sandals?
Do you guys sell sandals?
Oh, no.
No? Okay.
What is that? Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
No sandals.
They don't have any sandals here. Which nail spot are we going to?
The one that we went to? Well, I'm not going to Foot Locker to buy no sandals. Unless you want to buy me some Nikes.
That's Nike.
Nikes are on.
Paying for your nails.
Oh.
Really, Whitney?
Wow. Nikes are only $25.
Are they really?
Yeah.
I want some Adidas.
Okay, let's see. We might as well go and see.
No, I'm not buying Adidas sandals.
How much do you love your friend?
I'm not buying you Adidas sandals. You're crazy. I'm paying for your nails.
All right.
Your toes.
Wait, no, I don't know what this store is.
They should have some sandals in here. I see my butt get a little bigger. Look, that was sandals.
I'm only worth $1.
What?
I mean, I'll buy them.
You just need some sandals so you can wear.
But let's just
sneakers on.
Yeah. But let's see. $1. Can I get $1.99?
Fine, you get $1.99. Oh, these are kind of cool, y'all. They look cheap though.
But can we go see the other sandals? That's $25.
Wow, Brittany. Really gonna get you some $25 sandals?
Nah, here I'll get $5.99 shoes.
Okay. She tripping. $25 for some sandals that she's probably gonna wear once.
First of all, I can't wear no 5.
You're only gonna wear this once, I swear. Watch.
Yeah, but I can't wear 5, so that's out of the question. That's a 5'6". I got big feet.
Wow. Gonna get these tees then.
Let's go inside.
This is like a rainbow on crack. Huh? I don't know. Oh, I'm gonna get copyrighted for all this music. I'm gonna get copyrighted for all this music. I don't see any more sandals back here. Why is the racks empty? Oh, there's sandals back here. These racks are empty. Maybe they're having a blowout sale. There goes these sandals, the sandals that they have. Why are you laying like that though?
Well, I just can't get some.
You're only gonna wear them once, I swear. Watch.
I know I'm only gonna wear the ones. They're $1.99. Why would I wear them more than once?
Let's see on the other side if they have any more. Oh no, empty.
You need a size 7. I can't fit a 7. I need an 8.5. Here, I'll take this.
Alrighty.
My big feet better be in my fitness. It says $1.99, not $4. Should I take this off?
What?
Here, let me record.
This is what y'all see at the flea market. Whew. Only at the flea market. Only at the flea market. Put our names on the list.
Nails and toes.
Make sure you sign Brittany.
You like
Sorry.
Skin Keisha?
What was that girl's name again?
Like Skin Keisha?
Oh no, the girl who did our nails last time.
She's right there.
Yeah, but I don't remember her name. The people in here.
Excuse me. See how they look now. Wait till they get ready to go on.
Let me zoom in on my toes. See how my little toes. Try the sandals on. I mean, you already brought them, so just try them on.
My foot don't hang off the back. These gonna be some cool stuff. Ooh, my feet have ashes. Don't be zooming in on my
I'm not zooming in on your toes. Let's see if they fit.
Nope.
They don't fit? Let me see.
Got it.
They do?
Nope. Look at
Oh,
that.
wow.
Wow. Pressing feet. What time did they got a nice soft piece? Oh look, Cynthia.
What? Oh.
You know what I haven't tried yet? A nice nude. Thank you.
Striking sunrise. That looks really pretty. But I want a red color.
Oh, I remember you.
They're pretty. What color did you get?
It's $5.95, $5.91.
Yeah, rub the oil in. They're pretty. Pretty.
They're cute. Big ass big toe.
Look at my toes though. My toes are really pretty.
You look like you got a pink toe now, but you don't.
These are pretty.
Tú la